Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use the mask feature in CapCut. So here I've already imported a video to CapCut, and the mask feature can be seen when you add an overlay to CapCut. So here I'm going to add the overlay first. For example, I want to add just this black screen as an overlay, and here I'm going to make it big like this. And if you use the mask feature, here you can see there will be there will be a list of options that you can choose. For example, there are film strip. You can make the overlay like this, or you can also invert it so it can look like this, or you can also choose other masking shape like this as you like. Okay, and after that you can just click on the check icon after you're done, and your video will look like this, and you can just adjust it until the end of the video. Adjust the overlay like this. Okay, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye.